Okay, I finally cleaned out my asparagus bed. Look at my beautiful marigolds. Okay, asparagus, come on and continue to grow for me. Got some parsley here. Okay, my orange tree, come on back. I see you have some leaves that's growing down near your trunk there. Come on up. And this is my pots that I'm going to put my pineapples that I have growing inside. Finally, I'm going to bring them out to let them enjoy this beautiful spring, summer weather that's here. And I added me some more tomatoes. This time I got my cherry tomatoes right here. And they said tomatoes go good with the asparagus. So I put me a pot right next to where my asparagus are. They're gonna help each other. Good companion plants. And I don't know what this is that's growing out of this pot. But I'm not gonna let it take it up. Wait and see what's gonna become of it. It has some beautiful leaves on it. This is one that I had, one of my pineapples that I harvested that was in here. So I don't know what ended up rooting in here and it's growing. If anybody know what it is, let me know. Got a bunch of weeds up. Okay, I still don't know what made that straight line of a lot of holes going down in the ground in my soil, but I covered it up with some baking soda. Covered it up with some baking soda, and I'm getting ready to put some coffee grinds on top of it. Whatever it is, I'm hoping it's gonna kill it and stop it from damaging my garden. Okay, I see some yellowing on the Roma tomato leaves. Try to help it out. I'm gonna add some pure Epsom salt on here as well around it. It's gonna rain today. That's what I'm putting this in now, so the rain can water that Epsom salt in around these plants. Help them to grow better. Okay, I have all the soil top dressed with some coffee grinds, baking soda, and some Epsom salt. The rain today is gonna wash it on into the soil and help nourish these plants and help take care of whatever pest it was that made all of those holes down this line in the ground. Rain coming down on the garden. Yes. This area cleaned up now. Look at here. Cucumbers are coming up. Look at you. I see you. I see you. I had to put some cinnamon down to kill some of these ants that was coming out of this area here when I pulled up this pot that was in this corner. And it sure did work. Not running around anymore. I decided to put some cinnamon on this where them holes was. Whoever or whatever came and put all those little holes there. They're gonna get a lot of cinnamon going down their throat. Got it smelling good. Okay. I have to get inside so I won't get soaking wet.